gold and silver both traded with the modest bullish bias throughout the day. We have seen it going closer to the resistance levels at 2174 and silver towards 2520. Yes, both failed to break the resistance levels, have now tried to reverse. So now what to expect from gold and silver with the US session? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update must have already profited. Thus, press the bell icon, subscribe the channel to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. And yes, tomorrow I am going to give you the weekly review that is definitely going to give you insights of what you can expect in the coming week from gold and do watch that as well. Let's start first gold followed with silver. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and do be a part of the channel memberships here on YouTube and support them. Now look at the hourly charts of gold. See, one thing I have shared earlier, that it is under consolidation, and that is why I say why 2175 and 2180. And a bullishness or a complete reversal in gold is only and only if it trades about 2185. So right now it appears to be trading in a consolidation zone where we can see lower highs are getting created, higher lows are seen. Now if you look at the hourly charts, what it has done, the drop, the retracement, lower highs, and it is again trying to reverse. Where you can sell, I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 2164, but a safer entry. See, below 2164 you can initiate a selling entry, but it is going to be slightly riskier because there are greater available now at 2160, 60 and 58 levels. Very stronger support here at 2160, 58. And then if it breaks below this, you can say now it may try to drop further, but again then you have to wait for 2154. These are two levels. Only and only if gold trades below 2154, you can say that the bears are back and we can look forward to a drop, else it is still staying in this bullish channel. See the highs retracement, and yes, it is still staying in this bullish channel. So do not treat this as bearish as long as it stays above 2154, 55 levels. The stochastic looking downwards, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish looking upwards, and RSI is now trying to trade with slight bearishness here. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see another point to note here is the rise, the retracement. It is rather forming a nice flag here, and yes, a breakout is what you should wait for. 2180, 2185, good levels for you to enter into a buy position. If you look at the moving averages, these have started to convert. Prices again coming back to take the support from the 20-50 period moving average, and that is why I say it is very important for gold now to stay below 2164 in order to trade bearish, and then 2158.60 in order to confirm the bearishness here. So this is something you should keep a note of. If you look at the stochastic, this is now looking downwards while MACD is still in green, trading with modest bullishness and divergence. RSI looking downwards here. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour charts, you can find out higher lows, higher highs here, trying to take the support from the 20 period moving average. So yes, a safer entry below 2164 can be taken. And what you can also observe here is the retracement and a reversal here. So if it breaks here on the downside, certainly that will be an indication that gold is trying to trade bearish, and lower lows or higher lows at least towards 2154, 55 can be expected. A stochastic to the overbought zone, MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a buy. RSI almost comfortable. Coming to 4 hour. Now similar observation here. Only thing to note here is the bullishness getting diminished with every candle. You can see the body size getting smaller with every candle. That is one point you should note. Third is higher lows are anyways delivered and higher highs are delivered. This is a bullish channel, thus it is very important for now gold to break below this, and then these levels at 2160, 58. If these two are taken, then you can say it is reversing, else it is still staying bullish. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet RSI flat. Coming to daily chart. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30th mentorship batch starting first week of April. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the tools, concepts, and strategies which you use to identify profitable trades with ease. And then, with the help of the trade setups, you can trade profitably. These and all, everything we cover in our mentorship batch. So do register for it. Else you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for more queries related to any of the services. Those who had asked me to recommend a trustworthy broker which is safe, secure, which is regulated, is available across the globe, where the transactions are easier and faster, and yes, which offers a step-free account with the lowest spreads. Yes, if you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads. So do join the broker. It is recommended in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts? You can see gold has approached the lower highs here, and if you connect the highs, you can see almost the lines are, all the highs are beautifully connected. So it has achieved the highs, and that is why I say it is very very important for gold to now break beyond 2175 74 levels in order to confirm for the rise, and beyond 2180 and 85 it is a complete reversal. Right now it has achieved lower highs, and there is a possibility that it may try to deliver higher lows, so it can try to in fact move towards 2155 as well. Be watchful. Any drop below 2150 is a clear cut breakout for a sharper drop. Stochastic comfortable, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI is coming out of the overbought. Thus, very simple, buy at 2174.75 zone now, and expect it to move towards 2180, 2185 the next, and any point of time gold staying above 2185, just stay above 2185. Certainly it is going to give you a stronger bullish move here. On the downside, which we see that it is trying to consolidate, thus we need to take the benefit of it. You can sell here at 2164, expect it to get support at around 2160, 2158 zone, very very good support at around 2160, 2158 zone. Then we can look forward to 2154 the next, and then 2148.50. If these three levels are taken, stay bearish, we might be looking forward to a sharper drop towards 2140 as well. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you look at silver on the hourly charts 2520, we have discussed why 2520 is a greater resistance. It has come to 2520 levels and finding the resistance, trying to reverse. Now again $25, 24.95 is the level at which you can sell, and wait for it to break below 24.80. Any drop below 24.80 should be a confirmation that silver is trying to trade bearish. How low it can go? It can move towards 24.60, the next support levels. See, one thing we have noticed earlier, that this zone between 2460 2440, I do not see silver breaking below this, and this is going to be the strongest support for silver on the downside. Let's have a further look. A stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI is looking downwards trying to suggest slight bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts you can see consolidation going on here between 25 and 2520 level. We can clearly see the hesitation of silver in breaking beyond 2520, because one thing I have shared earlier in the day and I am repeating it again, beyond 2520, 2525 zone, silver will hit 2550 levels, then 2575, and in fact it can move towards 2560. So right now it is very much hesitant in taking a direction. And now on the downside, 24.95, $25 levels are the support levels, because below which it is going to give you a sharper drop first at 24.80 and then can move towards 24.60-50 levels. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is trading with slight divergence. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. If you look at 3-hour charts, mostly under consolidation as of now, higher lows, higher highs. That's very very important for silver now to break below 25 and then 2480. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat near to overbought zone. Coming to 4, look at 4-hour charts. See, important thing to note here is the current candle failed to break either the highs of the preceding candle or the lows of the preceding candle. So it is still under consolidation. Very very important for silver to now come out of this zone. And if you look at the movement, you can clearly see rise, retracement, and again looking upwards but failing to break out. So wait for the breakout. If you look at stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is rising. Coming to day, now look at daily charts. Higher highs are done, higher lows are seen. Now, if it draws below 25, 24.95, you can sell here. Expect it to move towards 24.80. 24.75, and if it drops below 24.80.75, you can expect a sharper drop in silver towards 24.50, 24.60 zone. And as long as it respects 24.40, at least we are not going to treat this as bearish. Stochastic is overbought here, MACD is bullish, RSI is again rising. So considering this, yes, buy at 25.25 levels, sell at 23.95 levels. Do not trade in between these 30 cents. Yes, wait for it to give a breakout either which ways. Below 23.95, as I said, 24.95, 24.80, 24.60, and then 24.43. Very strong support levels. 24.60 and 24.40 are going to play a major role. Else, it is still not to be treated bearish. On the upside, yes, beyond 25.25, when you see the lower prices above 25.25, stay bullish in silver, and we can look forward to 25.50 and then 25.70. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do watch the weekly videos as well. And do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy weekend ahead. Thank you. Have a great profitable day.